Guys, in the next couple of videos, I am going to solve examples related to Bayes theorem. These type of example are frequently asked in your university examination, and I will use this book by Ravi Singh in order to do this type of examples. So in this video, I am going to solve example number 1 related to Bayes theorem, which is given in page number 1.48. Now the question says, a company has two plants to manufacture hydraulic machines. Plant number 1 manufactures 70% of hydraulic machines. Now in every Bayes theorem, every example related to Bayes theorem, you have to create this type of tree diagram. So machine 1 produces 70% of total machines, so it is 0.7, and plant 2 produces 30% of total machine, so we'll write 30%, that is 0.3 for plant 2. At plant 1, 80% of hydraulic machines are rated standard quality. So out of total machines manufactured by plant 1, probability that machine is standard quality is 0.8. STD for standard quality. And for machine 2, it is at plant 2, 90% of machines are standard quality. So we'll write probability as 0.9 for machine 2. So out of total machines manufactured by plant 2, probability that it is standard is 0.9. A machine is picked up at random and is found to be standard quality. What is the chance, what is the probability that it came from machine 1? Now it is given that a picked machine is of standard quality, and we have to find the probability that it came from plant number 1. Now, how many ways we can pick a machine of standard quality? One way is a machine is came from plant 1, and second way is a machine is came from plant 2. So we will calculate both the probability and add them up. So we'll calculate for machine 1. So first machine must be manufactured by plant 1. So it has 0.7 probability that it is came from machine 1. It is manufactured by plant 1. I am doing many mistakes here. So it is 0.7 probability that it is manufactured by plant 1, and given that it is manufactured by plant 1, it has 0.8 probability that it is standard. Similarly, probability that a machine is manufactured by plant 2 has probability of 0.3, and it is of standard quality is probability of 0.9. So these are total probability that picked machine is of standard quality. So this is given, and from this given we have to find outcome that a standard machine picked came from machine 1. So we have to find probability that a part came from machine 1 is of standard quality. So first it must came from machine number 1. So it has 0.7% chance that it is manufactured by machine 1. And given that it is manufactured by machine 1, then it has 0.8% chance of being of standard quality. So this is our answer. So probability that we have to just calculate this iteration here. So 0.7 times 0.8 is 0.56, 0.27, and in nominator it is 0.56. 0.56 plus 0.27, let me take inverse and multiply with 0.56. So it is 0.06746. So this is the probability that it came from machine 1 and it is of standard quality. So let me check with answer. Yes, it is true. So this will be your final answer. In next video, we are going to solve example number 2 of this textbook.